Welcome back to the channel, as today I will go through two exam questions for GCSE biology. This question says, explain the effect of a partly blocked coronary artery on the human body. It is 6 marks, so 6 points are required, and we have to explain. For my first point, I'm going to say that a partly blocked coronary artery reduces blood flow to the heart muscle. As we have to explain, we need to think of what this leads to as a consequence. So, I'm going to say that there is less glucose and oxygen received by the heart cells. What does this lead to? This leads to less aerobic respiration and therefore more anaerobic respiration. Therefore, less energy is released. Okay, but what does this lead to? Well, the heart will then transport less glucose and oxygen to other cells in the body, so those cells respire less. This would then result in tiredness and fatigue, as less energy released from less respiration. For this question, it is important to talk about the effect it has on the whole human body, not just the heart, as said by the question. You would get 6 marks for making 6 logically linked points from the mark scheme as shown on screen. For the next question, we've got a 2-marker asking us to explain how one treatment for a blockage in a coronary artery works. For the 2 marks, simply name one treatment. So I'm going to say stents are inserted. Then, explain what this leads to in regard to treating a blocked coronary artery. So, I put that this widens the coronary artery, so more blood can pass through. Remember that explain questions want you to consider how one thing leads to another thing, but make sure you link it to the question. The mark scheme allows what is shown on screen. Like always, thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.